Welcome to video 6 in this series. And we probably should have covered this at the earlier time, but it's not too late to do it now. So in this video, this is where you can see the earlier effects of following traders, and this is how you can get to see their activities. So when you follow traders, you're just following them, you're not actually copying them yet, adding them to your watch list. Now you're able to see what their recent trades were and how they did for that day. So you can have a better idea, especially for those of you who are looking to get started and you don't want to make a slip up by someone who spam clicks. Okay, you will know whether someone spam clicks or not. You click in. This is 48 minutes ago, and then see how many trades has he been taking on that day. So the last trade he took was probably going to be about 600 bucks. Today he's traded anything from $1 to $2,000. And this actually gives you an idea of how he trades. If he has been spam clicking, what you probably see is like plus 576 and then plus 576, plus 576. You will see this when you're on the platform. So if you do trade several times a day, it also is a good time to see in your list of watch traders what's actually going on. So for these other guys, likewise, this guy probably put in a $400 trade. This guy probably put in a $51 or $50 trade. So again, you can always click into it and see what is the last trade. So over here, we can have an idea by just clicking in and seeing what their last actions were. And as for these other ones, we can infer that they probably, just decided to, although they trade OTC, they take a break on the weekends. All right.